A dashcam that stays connected anywhere sounds like the ultimate security tool, right? Today we're unboxing and testing the Lamtto 4G Cellular DashCam. It promises live views and cloud backups. But does the performance actually match the hype? Let's find out.
Inside the box you get the dual lens unit, one for the road and one for the cabin, plus an OBD power cable for 24/7 parking protection. It's a 1080p system featuring built-in GPS tracking and two-way audio via the U-Box Pro app. On paper, it's a Ring camera for your car. Alright, let's get this set up. The Lamtto installation is actually pretty straightforward. I'm going to start by plugging in the OBD power cable and powering on the device. Once it's powered up, you'll need to grab your manual and scan the QR code to download the free U-Box Pro app. Keep an eye for that light indicator. Once the blue light stays solid, you're connected and ready to use the app.
D is on or blinking. Find nearby devices. Scan the QR code on the device to begin pairing. Power on the device after seeing LED light on solid blue or hearing the VIA-Chi prompt. Click Next.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Enter a new address. Device is
The
connected.
equipment has been added successfully.
With the app open, you just scan the QR code located directly on the dashcam to pair it. Before we mount it, two quick but vital steps. Make sure your SD card is inserted and test the two-way audio through the app to ensure everything is communicating properly.
This is only a test. I am testing this Lamtto DashCam.
Now that we've confirmed it's working, it's time to mount it. I'm installing the camera on the right side of the windshield using the adhesive mount. But the placement is really up to you. Just find the spot that gives you the best view on the road and the cabin. Once I've got the angles dialed in, I'll start hiding the wiring between the windshield and the ceiling. I'm routing it from the camera all the way back to the OBD connection, tucking all the excess wire under the dashboard. They include a small lever tool in the box, so there are no extra tools needed. It's fast, easy, and keeps the interior looking clean. First, let's highlight the brilliant idea behind this camera. The 4G connectivity is a game changer in theory. Pro number 1. Remote live access. As long as you have a data plan activated, you can access the camera remotely and view a live feed of your car's surroundings right on your phone, from anywhere. That's peace of mind right there. Pro number 2. Interactive security. It also lets you speak through the camera. If you see someone lurking around your vehicle in a parking lot, you can give them a warning. Pro number 3. Instant alerts. The system is designed to send alert notifications to your phone when it detects activity around the car while parked. It's a robust interactive security setup. Now that the install is done, all that's left is to see how this thing actually performs in the real world. Up next, let's look at some clips taken directly from the camera. Now let's talk about the footage. While it's marketed as HD, the actual video quality leaves a lot to be desired. Well, here the video looks a little bit shaky and the camera could use a little bit of stabilization, but the image quality seems decent enough to record some details. Let's highlight the fact once again that this camera is only HD. Now let's remember that this camera requires a separate SIM card and a data plan for all those smart features to work. So, in a nutshell, I loved the amount of notifications the camera sent me every time there was any activity around the car, even when turned off. I also liked how I was able to speak through the camera from my phone. And every time I accessed the camera from my phone from far away, it would connect almost instantly every single time. Overall, the Lamtto DC22 4G Cellular DashCam sounds like the perfect guardian for your vehicle, offering features typically reserved for high-end home security systems. It is a decent dashcam if you are looking for that specific monitoring feature where it sends alert notifications to your phone and you being able to access the camera remotely and speak through the camera. These are key features that make this camera unique. The Lamtto DC22 has fantastic potential with its remote security features. If remote live viewing is your absolute top priority, then this is a great camera. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews. You can find the link to the product page in the description below. See you next time.